Here's the Build-A-Raft attraction. It's going to be kind of hard to show you because a lot of it's kind of out of sight. Basically, you enter there, you get one of these inner tubes, you get in it. Basically like a little lazy river that you just go around in, like those people are doing right there. You just keep going in circles. Now, this attraction was here when the water park was along the Cypress Gardens, and I remember going in it then. When I bring a waterproof camera or something, I'll carry it with me and go through it when I'm prepared to do that. I wanted to show it to you. And I guess those inner tubes are free to get. When Cypress Garden was here, they had a very small amount of inner tubes that were free to use. Most of them you had to pay a fee to use. But here I don't think they do that, which is good. Of course, you see big Lego bricks floating around in the water. There are lots of lifeguards here, which is good. But when I be able to get down there and float around, I'll be able to show it to you better. I'll show you down there. Here's the entrance and exit. And here's a sign, here's some information about the attraction. There, we get the inner tubes. And I say that water looks amazing. Okay, just want to quickly show this.